कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा राम की, श्री प्रहलाद सिंहदेव भगवान की, श्री सुंदर की, कटिक पावन शिला प्रभुपाद की। यशोदनंदन भज जन रंजन यमुना तीरावनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी विष्णु पदाय कृष्ण कृष्णाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे शून्यवादी असतदिशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तवृंद कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जय प्रभुपद जय प्रभुपद प्रभुपद जय प्रभुपद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा महारानी की, श्री प्रहलाद नरसिंहदेव भगवान की, श्री गौर सुंदर की, गौर भक्तवृंद की। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्ति भवति नैष्ठिकी। Showing from Granthras Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3rd, entitled as Status Quo, Chapter number 26, entitled as Fundamental Principles of Material Nature. Today text is 17. Granthras Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Adit Pavan Prabhupada ki jai. Prakirtaya guna samyasya निर्विशेषस्य मानवी चेतसा यतः स भगवान् काल इति उपलक्षितः। प्रकृतय गुण साम्यस्य निर्विशेषस्य मानवी चेष्टा यतः स भगवान् काल इति उपलक्षितः। प्रकृते गुणसाम्यस्य निर्विशेषस्य मानवी चेष्टा यतः स भगवान् काल इति उपलक्षितः. Translation. My dear mother, O daughter of the Swayambhu Manu, the time factor, as I have explained, is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, from whom the creation begins as a result of agitation of the neutral, unmanifested nature. Repeat the translation. My dear mother, O daughter of the Swayambhu Manu, the time factor, as I have explained, is the Supreme Personality of God, from whom the creation begins as a result of agitation of the neutral, unmanifested nature. Purport. The unmanifested state of material nature, pradhana, is being explained. The Lord says that when the unmanifested material nature is agitated by the glance of Supreme Personality of Godhead, it begins to manifest itself in different ways. Before this agitation, it remains in the neutral state without interaction with the three modes of material nature. In other words, material nature cannot produce any variety of manifestation without the contact of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is very nicely explained in Bhagavad Gita. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is the cause of the production of material nature. Without his contact, material nature cannot produce anything. The Chaitanya Charitamrita also a very suitable example is given in this connection. Although the nipples on the goat's neck appears to be breast nipples, they do not give milk. Similarly, material nature appears to the material scientist to act and react in a wonderful manner, but in reality, it cannot act without the agitator, time, who is the representation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. When time agitates the neutral state of material nature begins to produce varieties of manifestations. Ultimately, it is said that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is the cause of the creation. As a woman cannot produce children unless impregnated by a man, material nature cannot produce or manifest anything unless it is impregnated by the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the form of the time factor. I'll read some of the few verses from previous things also to get some continuity. Text 1. The personality of Godhead Kapila continued, My dear mother, now I shall describe unto you the different categories of absolute truth, knowing which any person can be released from the influence of modes of material nature. Text 2. Knowledge is the ultimate perfection of self-realization. I shall explain that knowledge unto you, by which the knots of attachment to the material world are cut. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is the Supreme Soul, and he has no beginning. He is transcendental to material modes of nature and is beyond the existence of this material world. He is the perceivable everywhere because he is self-effulgent, and by his self-effulgent luster, the entire creation is maintained. As his past tense, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the greatest of the great, accepts the subtle material energy which is invested with three material modes of nature and which is related with Vishnu. Divided into varieties of threefold modes, material nature creates the forms of living entities, and the living entities, seeing this, are illusioned by the knowledge covering feature of the illusory energy. Because of his forgetfulness, the transcendental living entities accepts the influence of material energy as his field of activities, and thus actuated he wrongly applies the activities to himself. Material consciousness is the cause of one's conditional life, in which conditions are enforced upon the living entities by the material energy. Although the spirit soul does not do anything and is transcendental to such activities, he is thus affected by conditional life. The cause of the conditioned soul's material body and senses, and the senses presiding deities, the demigods, is the material nature. This is understood by learned men. The feelings of happiness and distress of the soul who is transcendental by nature are caused by the spirit soul himself. Devati said, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, kindly explain the characteristics of Supreme Person and his energies, for both of these are the cause of this manifest and unmanifest creation. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, the unmanifested eternal combination of the three modes of the cause of the manifested state, and the Supreme Personality of Godhead said, the unmanifested eternal combination of the three modes is the cause of manifest state and is called Pradhana, and is Prakriti when in the manifest state of existence. The aggregate elements, namely the 5 gross elements, 5 subtle elements, 4 internal senses and 5 senses for gathering knowledges, and the 5 outward organs of actions are known as the Pradhana. There are 5 gross elements, namely earth, water, fire, air and ether. There are also 5 subtle elements, smell, taste, color, touch and sound. The senses are for acquiring knowledge and organs for actions, number 10, namely the auditory senses, sense of taste, the tactile senses, sense of sight, sense of smell, the active organs for speaking, the active organs for working, and those for traveling, generating and evacuating. The internal subtle senses are experienced as having 4 accepts in the shape of mind: intelligence, ego, and contaminated consciousness. Distinctions between them can be made only by different functions, since they represent different characteristics: mind, intelligence, ego, and contaminated consciousness, the 4 subtle senses. All these are considered the qualified Brahman. The mixing elements, which is known as time, is counted as the 25th element. Text number 16. The influence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is felt in the time factor, which causes fear of death due to the false ego of the deluded soul, who has contacted material nature. My dear mother, O daughter of Swayambhu Manu, the time factor that I have explained is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, from whom the creation begins as a result of agitation of the neutral and manifested nature. Om Tat Sat. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum lamnyayate girim yat kripatamaham vande Shri Guru Dinatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Ishwaram. Prabhupada is writing in the purport, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, also a very suitable example is given in this connection. Although the nipples on a goat's neck appears to be breast nipples, they do not give milk. Similarly, material nature appears to material scientists to act and react in a wonderful manner, but in reality it cannot act without the agitator time, who is the representation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You see, generally people, when asked about creation, then they think a lot, and after thinking a lot, they say, oh, it has all come by chance. The nature is produced this creation. The nature is the cause. Okay, this is general answers you get. But here Prabhupada is explaining that nature on its own cannot act. Nature is not cause as much as this analogy is given. A goat, sometimes a goat has a nipple-like shape under the throat. So if one starts milking the goat in that place, you will not get anything. Okay. So though material nature acts in wonderful way, but it is not it is not that it is not the cause of creation. The cause of creation is Krishna. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is only cause of creation. And here is explained that by the energy of the Lord has a time, Kala, when this material nature is agitated, then creation takes place. Without presence of Lord, nothing will happen. The material nature on its own cannot produce anything. Generally we see it is creation theory, it is described that how the two stars, once they collided, and then the sun was formed. There was one sun, and then around it all other stars started, all other things started rotating, and then there was a high temperature, and slowly it cooled down. And there was a water which was evaporated, and then it came, when temperature came down, it rained, and that's how all the water bodies, different water bodies were formed. All these things is explained. It's explained in the sense that it's all happened automatically. But nothing can happen automatically. To happen anything, there should be one person operating it. Because we see this material nature is so well designed. If you see some nice painting, immediately we ask who has painted it. We will not conclude that it has come by chance. Similarly, if we see a rose painting itself, we say someone has painted it. So real rose, who has made it? That's much more designed, much more shapely than the painting. So who has created the rose? So this universe is so well designed. There is so many things are systematically going on. The earth is rotating in its orbit correctly, all other planets also. The seasons are coming and going systematically. So who is putting everything in the order? There should be someone who is putting that all these things in the order. It cannot happen without control of someone. This is our day-to-day experience also. That things will happen only when somebody is managing it nicely. And we see in the whole cosmic affairs, things are so systematic. So who is managing all that? Is God. So he is a person, and here it is explained that how the creation is taking place in the beginning. There are a lot of things about creation, but at the beginning, what happened? So we always want to know how it started, how everything started. Correct or not? The whole thing, how it started. So it is described here about the creation, how it started. So material nature in unmanifested state. What is material nature? We see around us all earth, water, fire, air, ether, there's so many objects made of all these elements. When Krishna is describing nicely in Bhagavad Gita, Bhumi apo namo vayu kham mano buddhi revacha ityame vinna prakriti rashtadha. So these are 8 separated elements. So these 5 gross elements, earth, water, fire, ether, plus these subtle elements, mind, intelligence, ego. So this all together is material nature. And of course various senses, knowledge acquiring senses, working senses, object of senses. So there are 24 elements altogether described by Kapila Muni. So this is all material nature. So what we see now is all this is in manifested stage. We see air, we can see water, we can see all these things. We can have a taste, feel, touch, and all this according to their qualities. So these are all manifested stage. Unmanifested stage, which are all these things are there, but not as we see, as we have experienced now. This is there in the conceptual form, in more subtle form. So that is unmanifested nature. That is called, this technical term is explained here, is called pradhana. Okay, so material nature in unmanifested stage is called pradhana. Okay, and then how the creation takes place from there. Sri Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maharani ki, Stai Gaur Sundar ki, Patit Pavan Sri Prabhupada ki jai. How creation takes place from there? It does not take place automatically. Just like that. It's like a car is standing. It will be standing only unless one driver goes and push the key and start it. Correct or not? So there is a role of a driver, a person. Then car moves. Similarly, this material nature remains as it is, stand still in unmanifested states, unless the Supreme Person, Krishna, decides that, oh, now let's have a creation. So that is that's how the God desires to create. So now it is described here that Lord agitates this unmanifested material nature, which is called pradhana, through his energy, which is called kala, which is represented as time factor. And with this time factor, the material nature gets into, it starts rolling, get into different functions. So, but it starts with time. So now we are staying here in this material world, and we are all conditioned by this time factor. We cannot separate our thinking from this time factor. generally we see that everything takes birth here. So there is a question: who came first, egg or chicken? Who is when Lord created this universe? So we see that we are all conditioned through by way of in the factor of time. We are not able to separate ourselves from the time. And you say that in spiritual world there is no time effect. There is always only one tense. And then we see here three tenses there: past tense, future tense, present tense. But in spiritual world there is only present tense. There is a past and future is not experienced there. So it's very difficult for us to understand. So you see here, the beginning of creation, only this time is introduced. Beginning of creation, this time is introduced, and that's how material creation is taking place. From this this unmanifested state is called pradhana. So the further Kapil Dev will explain that how the whole creation takes place. He says that material nature, unmanifested stage, there is a three modes when it is interacted with the time. Then with different modes interaction with the time, subtle elements takes place, like with mode of goodness and time factor. Mind comes with mode of passion and time factor. Ego will come. Then similarly passion and time factor, intelligence will come. So different modes and time factor, these three subtle elements, they are coming. And with the interactions, there are further interactions, air, water, first ether will come, from ether slowly sound will come, from sound fire will come, air will come, earth will come. So all these gross elements, subtle elements, they all starts manifesting. But starting with, they are all agitated by the time factor, kala. In Bhagavad Gita also Krishna is telling that kalo asmi, that Krishna, his time factor represents Krishna. At time of death, Nityu Sarv Haras Chaham, Krishna appears as time, Mrityu, and takes away everything from people. We may be possessing and thinking that I am the owner of so and so, I belong, this body belongs to me, this whole thing belongs to me. But in reality, that is all related with body. As a spirit soul, we are all together different creation, spirit soul. We are spiritual in nature. So the real master, owner, controller is Krishna. So we falsely may be thinking that this all belongs to me, but at time of death, it is clear that to whom it belongs. Krishna, represented as time, comes and takes away everything. So we see that this time is representation of Krishna. This is Krishna's energy, time. So generally we see people, they say there is a good time, bad time, and then they go and worship Navagraha to set things right. But then there is no need to worship Navagraha separately. If we just worship Krishna, things will be set right for us. Because ultimately time is controlled by Krishna only, is represented by Krishna, it is representative of Krishna. So if we just surrender to Krishna, everything will become alright. Even bad time is there, it will turn favorable to us. So this is very clear that by Krishna's interference only the creation takes place in the beginning. At the time Krishna agitates this material world, material unmanifested material nature, and that's how one by one all the creation takes place. At present we can have this much understanding because at the most we can experience gross elements and then can have feelings of subtle elements, but since there is no further way to experience all other subtle elements, because we are mostly in mode of passion and ignorance, so very difficult to have a direct experience. So through this explanation only we can get to know about creation as it is explained here. We see there are yogis who perform austerities and they develop this siddhi, that they can even create some wonderful things. Like Vishwamitra Muni, he performed austerity and he was empowered and he started to create another types of srishti. He only made this coconut. We see coconut so many here in South India. So it was created by Vishwamitra. So just in order to, in competence with Brahma, he started doing this. Then Lord Brahma appeared and he settled things. He created some planet. Vishwamitra even could create a planet. You see this earth planet. Vishwamitra Muni was there here in earth planet, staying as one of the insignificant living entity, human being, but he performed austerity and he developed this yoga siddhi where he was able to create, and he created one planet in order to make Trisanku Swarga. So Trisanku was not admitted into heaven, so I will create another Swarga for him. But then what happened? This planet, though he created, but was not staying in its orbit. And it was very difficult for him now what to do. And when this was so much havoc, that Brahma appeared on the scene, and then by his advice it was set things right. So whatever siddhis also we may develop, but it's all by the empowerment present by the Lord that we are able to do something. So point was we were discussing about to know these things first hand, pratyaksha, by direct experience. It's difficult for us. Why it is difficult? Because we are living in this modern time which is filled with mode of ignorance and passion. So we cannot have that kind, we don't have that kind of pious credit, austerities, siddhis, we cannot perform, and we are not in mode of goodness, so we cannot have the direct experience. And as more or less that hierarchy is also lost, the teachers are lost who can give us such understanding directly. So, and there is no need also. Srimad Bhagavatam Praman is more than enough. all great acharyas and great rishis is explained by Vyasadeva, written by Vyasadeva, Kapila Muni, is all explaining very logically they are explaining. So we have to understand that as it is, and this makes much more sense than what the stupid modern theories about creation is said. So here we see that it is explained that how creation started, the start, kick-off took place. So this is what is explained in this sloka. Mantra Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Patit Pavan Srila Prabhupada ki jai.